Here we're Alice and Jess, a couple that left the UK back in May 2022 to travel full-time. We are going to be taking on the Mae Hong Son loop, the most famous motorbike loop in all of Thailand. We are going to be riding over 600 miles and tackling just under 2,000 twists and bends. The plan is to be spending 8 days on this amazing loop. We witnessed some of the most amazing views and best sunsets we have ever seen. So join us as we start our first big motorbike journey in Asia. Okay, so this is our bike and this is what we've got to fit in. We've got 2 towels. It's going to be like a game of Tetris, I think. We've decided on 1 packing cube each. Mine looks a lot fatter than Jess's though. I'll go with Jess's. Okay. Okay. Got a little headlamp just in case. Some thick socks for the cold. We've got our jackets just in case it rains. Oh God. Don't know if it's gonna... Looks alright in a minute, doesn't it? Got some hats, scarves and stuff just in case it gets really cold. Underwear.
Gonna need that.
Don't think we can
That ain't doing it. No, that's not.
So we're going to leave it as that because I think it'll compress down, so that's good. For the bike, we've actually rented a 150cc Honda. It's quite a big bike, but unfortunately, due to the timings that we're doing this, is just in the new year, and there are tons of people doing the same thing. And we searched high and low yesterday for a bike, and literally there was no bikes, was there?
No, it was super busy.
No bikes wherever we went, so we've had to go for an older bike, and it was 3,500 baht for 9 days. So we're actually going on this loop for 9 days. We're really excited. We only bloody forgot international driving licenses. So we managed to get out of Chiang Mai and it was craziness. It was very busy on the roads, but as soon as you kind of turn off towards Pai, it just opens out and it's just such beautiful roads, and the air quality is just so much better. We've just come to our first stop, which we are at a coffee shop called Pancold Coffee. They do really lovely food, and we've just ordered some lunch. I have also ordered an Americano with orange juice, which I'm super excited to try.
I've never heard of the combination before.
Wow. I don't know how to describe it.
Is it strong?
It's quite strong. It's like, it like changes up, so like you get like the bitterness of the coffee and then you get like a kick of orange juice, or the other way around, you get the orange juice first and then you get the bitterness of the coffee. It's revelation. Gone for a classic chicken fried rice. Jess's hasn't even turned up yet. Yummy! Food dance, food dance! Wee, wee, wee. So we went and paid for our food and drinks, which was 213 baht, and then Jess noticed that for 20 baht you can feed the sheep. They gave her a baby bottle full of milk. I'll show you. So let's go feed the sheep, Jess.
This one's already eyeing me up.
No way. God, he's going for it.
This one's gonna have it all, I reckon.
Yeah. Look at that. No way, they're like fighting over it.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, does that hurt your throat? Come back under.
Hello, mate.
Welcome.
So we've just stopped off at Rak Chang Viewpoint, and some legend just put a GoPro clip on the front of our bike. So we've tried to put our GoPro on there. Hopefully it's not too shaky, the footage, but just to show you the corners that we went around. And yeah, it's very steep corners and it's a lot of weight on the bike, so it's quite interesting. But now we just come to this viewpoint and it's absolutely stunning. So we have arrived in Pai. It is absolutely beautiful. we're kind of like pulling into Pai as the sun was coming down and everyone was going towards Pai Canyon. And also when you were coming down the hill into Pai, you can see the big white Buddha up on the hill, and it's like nestled in the mountains, and it is just so beautiful. I can really understand why people want to stay here all the time. Even immediately we've come here and it's proper chill, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so relaxed. But anyway, we've come to our guest house. We're staying at a really lovely bungalow and it's lovely. Big double bed, wardrobe space, TV, kettle, water, big bathroom, hair dryer, and a balcony. Amazing. What are we going to do tonight, Jess? Should we go have a little mooch around?
Yeah.
Alright, that's what we're doing. Gonna go have a look around Pai. Oh, and some bad news. The bike's got an engine management light on. So we called the company that we rented it from and we have to get it checked out at a garage here. So we'll let you know how that goes. So we've got barbecue pork, steam buns, wedges with the best dip, some mochi balls. It's a good night. It's a good night. Egg roti. Corn. We did over 700 twists and bends today, so I think that's the hardest part of the loop done. So excited to get here. We just had food at the walking street and that was so nice. And basically because everyone is staying in like this small little town, they all go to the walking street, so it's just like filled with loads of people with really good vibes. So we had a really nice time. We ate loads of good food. We're off to bed now, but if you like this video and you want to see more content from us, then subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next one for day 2.